Okay, so good afternoon. Our topic for today is all about factoring, so difference of two squares. So we're going to factor out algebraic expressions using difference of two squares. Okay, our objective for this lesson is, of course, we're going to factor out algebraic expression using the difference of two squares. So in factoring algebraic expressions using difference of two squares, so we have that A and B be real numbers such variables or algebraic expressions. Then the algebraic expression A squared minus B squared can be factored as follows. So here is the equivalent factored form of A squared minus B squared. So this this is the product of sum and difference of algebraic expressions. So if we're going to multiply this using one method, we'll arrive at this equation or this expression. Okay, let's have an example. So we're asked to factor out the expression 16x squared minus 5. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite the expression. So this is 16x squared. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. Okay. 16x squared minus, I'm going to rewrite 16 x squared minus 49. Okay, so if we're going to use if we're going to factor this out, so we're using two factors. So these are perfect square numbers. Okay, so the factors of 16x squared. So both terms are perfect square numbers. So 16x squared is 4x and 4x. So how about 49? So how are we going to factor out 49? So that's both 7. Of course, the other one has to be positive and the other one has to be negative because our expression a plus b and a minus b, okay, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay? So which means our answer for this item is 4x plus 7 and 4x minus 7. Okay, so questions? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, the answer is there. So we're asked to factor out algebraic expression x squared minus 81. Okay, I'm gonna rewrite the expression. This is x squared minus 81. Okay, we can easily factor out the x squared because the only factors of x squared are x and x. Okay, how about 81? What are the factors of 81? So that's both 9 because 81 is a perfect square number. But, so this is a difference of two squares, so one has to be positive and the other one has to be negative. Is this the answer? Yes. But if you're unsure of your answer, just use the one method of verifying. Okay. So let's verify this expression if this is true. So for those who are unsure of the answers, let's use for method. X multiplied by x. So this is the first term. So this is x, outer term. X multiplied by -9. Okay, that's negative 9x. This is the outer term. So the inner term, +9 multiplied by x. Okay, so that's positive 9x. And the last term, +9 multiplied by -9, and it's minus. Okay, -9x and +9x will be cancelled out, so because there's already 0. So the remaining is x squared minus. So is this the same as the given? Yes, so that's the same. So which means our factors are x plus 9 and x minus. Questions for this item? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, x minus 9, x plus 9, that's also the same. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so we're asked to factor out the expression 54x squared minus 6y squared. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the expression, so this is 54x squared minus 6y squared. The question is, are we going to use the difference of two squares formula directly? No. However, we can use factoring using the greatest common factor. So what's the greatest common factor between 54 and 6? Okay, that's equal to 6 multiplied by. So what factor are we going to, must be multiplied to 6 to have a product of 54? Okay, that's 9. That's minus. What factor are we going to multiply to 6 to obtain 6y squared? It's only 1. Okay, simply, yeah. Okay, now, can we now use the difference of two squares formula? Yes. So this will be 6 multiplied by 3x. Okay. And of course, the factors of y squared are simply 1 and 1. So the other one should be positive and the other one should be negative. Okay, so this is the answer for this particular item. Okay, do you have any questions? So let's check. Okay, let's proceed. We are asked to factor out the expression x to the fourth minus 8. Okay, I'm gonna copy x to the fourth minus 81. So are we going to use the difference of two squares directly? Yes, we can factor out x to the fourth and we can factor out 81. Okay, so this will be, okay, so what are the factors of x squared? Simply x squared and x squared because we only need perfect square numbers. How about 81? So it's 9. Okay. So if we're going to use the difference of two scores, the other one should be positive and the other one should be negative. Okay, the question is this your final answer? No, because there is another factor that we can simplify. So we need to simplify this further using again difference of two scores. The other one cannot be factored out, so that's not factorable. Okay, so that's x squared plus 9 multiplied by x plus 3 and x minus 2. Okay. Now the question is this already your factored form for this item? Yes. So, which means the answer or the factored form of x to the fourth minus 81 is x squared plus 9 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. Okay, let's check if that is true. Okay, questions for this particular item. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so for your activity, you ask to factor out the following expressions. Of course, we need to factor out the expressions completely. As much as possible, it should be incomplete factored. Okay, so if you need more time, you need to pause the video. Okay, let's check. Okay, so for number one, the factored form of a squared minus 49 is a plus 7 and a minus 7. Okay, did you get this right? Okay, so for number two, the factored form of a squared minus 64 is a plus 8 and a minus 8. Okay, so for number three, so the factored form of p squared minus 144 is p. So this is p plus 12 and p minus 12. Okay. So for number four, we have, so the number four is this quadrant is 25. So the factored form is, so that's b plus 5 and b minus 5. So number 5, x squared minus 9, so that's x plus 3 and x minus 3. And for number 6, we have x squared minus 4. So the factored form is x plus 2 and x minus 2. Or we can also write as x minus 2 and x plus 2. That's also the same. Okay, for number 7, we have 3 minus 11 and 3 plus 11. Okay, regardless of the order, that's the same. For number 8, 3 squared minus 36. So this is 3 minus 6 and 3 plus 6. for number 9, okay, so n squared, okay, so the n squared minus 289. So this is n plus 17 or n minus 17 multiplied by n plus 17. And lastly, for number 10, so this is n minus 13 and n minus n plus 13. Okay, so did you get all items correctly? Okay, so do you have any questions with our lesson for today? So if you do, just put it in the comment section. If you have questions, so we can discuss it further. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, then we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for listening.